If your outdoor landscape lighting is experiencing a low voltage problem, it may be time to repair it. Fortunately, many of the most common problems with low voltage lighting are fairly easy to fix. Follow these simple steps to repair your low voltage outdoor lighting. Before you begin any repairs, make sure to turn off the power to the lighting fixture. Next, remove the bulb from the fixture and clean the contacts. If the bulbs are halogen, you should get between 10.5 and 12 volts. If they aren't, this may mean the wire connections are too loose. If you suspect that a connection has come loose, make sure to use contact cleaner to prevent corrosion. When dealing with low voltage outdoor lighting repair, it's important to remember that transformers are limited in their wattage and load capacity, so there may be a problem with your connections. This can make choosing the right type of outdoor lighting difficult, and you may need to consult a professional before proceeding with repairs. In addition, low voltage systems are difficult to inspect, and remote drivers and fixtures may not be UL listed. Once you have a low voltage landscape lighting repair kit, you can begin by wiring the lights. Use 10 or 12 gauge wire for the main line to the transformer and 12 gauge wire for wiring between the lights. To connect the lights, use a flat-nosed shovel to cut a slot in the sod. Make sure to bury the wires deep enough to prevent damage to them. If the wires aren't buried, they may break due to the high voltage. To avoid this, be sure to install a transformer with a built-in timer and photocell. During installation, make sure to bury the wires at least 6 inches below the soil and mulch. If you've already installed low voltage lighting on your property, you should consider placing them in strategic locations. Place the lights where they won't be damaged by shovels and plows. Certain plants look cool lit up even when leafless. If you're looking for a dramatic effect, you can install floodlights. There are many types of low voltage outdoor lighting to choose from. If you're new to DIY projects, you can start by learning how to repair low voltage outdoor lighting by reading these simple instructions. Next, you'll need to rewire the light. For this, you'll need to take the old light off and cut the cord. Make sure to leave a few extra inches in the cord, as you'll need a few more inches. Remember to leave about 1 inch of slack at the feeder end of the cord, so that you can attach the new light. Make sure that the copper wire on the feeder end of the new light's wire has at least a little bit of copper showing. If you've already installed low voltage outdoor lighting, it's time to think about hiring an electrician. This type of work is much easier to handle than standard line voltage. However, it's important to make sure the person installing the low voltage lighting is knowledgeable about both types of systems. A low voltage electrician can determine which one will best fit your needs. You'll need to determine the type of transformer you need. This will determine the cost of your project. Another common problem is if a section of lights is not working properly. This is almost as bad as the whole system not working at all. The next step is to check the transformer for a loose connection. You may need to dig up the lights or unscrew the wire nut connector. A loose connection will usually require the use of a screwdriver. If this isn't the case, you'll need to purchase a new transformer.